The transformation process is about to begin at this giant sugar factory. The scale of the operation is astonishing.
Every drop is valuable. The transformation has begun.
The clarity is improving significantly in tank 3. Yes, the settling rate is optimal now.
The concentration level is optimal. Yes, the transformation is complete. We are clear for transfer.
The viscosity is stabilizing. We are almost there. Good. Maintain the temperature. Efficiency is critical now.
We're reaching saturation point. Check the flow rate. Confirmed. Increasing vacuum pressure now.
The color is improving. Almost perfect white.
Check the moisture levels on the last batch.
Readings are stable. The sensors confirm consistency. Purity levels are excellent. This batch is approved. Approved sugar enters automated screening systems. Fine meshes separate crystals by size. Uniform product.
Automated fillers dispense precise amounts of sugar. Bags fill within seconds, ensure perfect. We need that pallet cleared for the 2 p.m. shipment, John.
Already on it, boss. Moving it now.
Copy that. Diversey lane is clear.
We need the next pallet of sugar loaded now.
Massive trucks leave the factory carrying crystal sugar. Convoys head towards cities and ports. The supply chain operates smoothly. Sugar arrives at food manufacturing facilities. African American workers unload shipments efficiently. Factories use sugar for countless products.
The efficiency metrics are holding steady across the board. Acknowledged. Diverting resources to Sector Gamma. Anomaly resolved.
The vibration analysis on the main pump looks good. We just greased the number 4 conveyor bearing. Okay, I'll log that. Production is pushing for target.